practicepeak.com.
Hey there, and welcome! In this video, we're going to boost your listening skills with fun and realistic conversations from everyday life. Let's get started. Let's start with greetings and introductions, the first step to making great conversations in English.
Hi there, I don't think we've met yet. Are you new to the neighborhood?
Yes, I just moved in last week. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. I'm Tom. Welcome. Which house are you in?
I'm in the one with the blue door, right across from the park.
Oh, yes, I've seen some moving boxes there. How are you settling in?
Pretty well, thanks. Still unpacking, but I really like the area. It's so quiet and green.
Yeah, it's a peaceful place. Most people around here are friendly. If you ever need help with anything, just let me know.
That's kind of you. Actually, do you know when the garbage gets collected?
Sure, Tuesday mornings. Just put the bins out Monday night.
Got it, thanks. By the way, is there a local cafe you'd recommend?
Absolutely. There's a great little coffee shop on Main Street called Bean There. Best cappuccino in town.
Sounds perfect. I'll check it out tomorrow.
Great. Well, welcome again. I'm sure you'll love it here.
Thanks, Tom. I really appreciate the warm welcome.
Hi there.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Enosh. What's your name?
My name is Ashley. Nice to meet you, Enosh.
Nice to meet you too.
Where do you live?
I live in America, and you?
I live in Canada. What do you do?
I am a student.
Really? Wow. Where do you study?
I study at the University of Dubai, and you, Ashley? Are you a student?
No, I'm not. I am a nurse. I work at a hospital.
Cool.
Hi, Jacob.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, too.
Jacob, tell me about your family.
Sure, I have a small family.
Really? How many people are in your family?
4 people, my mom, my dad, my sister, and me.
Nice. How old is your sister?
She is 10 years old. What about your family?
I have a big family.
Oh, how many people are in your family?
6 people. My mom, my dad, my 2 brothers, my grandmother, and me.
Wow, that's a big family.
Yes, it's fun. My brothers are very funny.
That's nice. Do you all live together?
No, my grandmother lives in another house.
Oh, I see. Do you visit her often?
Yes, we visit her every Sunday.
That's great. Family time is important.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Sarah. What's yours?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Where are you from?
I'm from England. How about you?
I'm from Spain. Do you speak Spanish?
No, I don't speak Spanish. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
That's great. We can practice together.
Yes, let's practice.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's yours?
I'm David. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, David. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. How about you?
I'm from Brazil. It's nice to meet someone from another country.
Yes, it's nice to meet you too. What brings you here?
I'm here to study English. How about you?
I'm here for work. I need to improve my English too.
That's great. We can help each other practice.
Yes, that would be fantastic.
Now let's dive into some fun conversations about weekends, hobbies, and how people enjoy their free time.
So, Jenny, what's your idea of a perfect weekend?
My perfect weekend would start with sleeping in. I love waking up late on Saturdays.
Same. I hate waking up early on weekends. What would you do after that?
I'd probably make a big breakfast like pancakes and fruit. Then I'd go for a walk or meet some friends for brunch. How about you?
That sounds great. For me, a perfect weekend means no plans at all. I like to be lazy and just watch movies or read a book.
Oh, that's nice too. Do you ever go out on weekends?
Sometimes. If the weather is good, I like to go to the beach or have a picnic in the park.
That's fun. I also love evening walks and maybe ordering pizza and watching a movie at night.
Pizza and movies, perfect combo. What about Sunday?
Sunday is my relax day. I do some cleaning, maybe some meal prep for the week, and just chill.
Me too. I think we both love relaxed weekends with a little bit of fun.
Exactly, the perfect mix.
Hi, Eric. How are you?
Hey, Emma. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm okay, just busy with work. What are your plans for the weekend?
Not much, just chilling at home. You?
Same here, maybe watch some movies. We'll catch you later, Eric.
Yeah. See you around, Emma.
Who do you live with, Ella?
I live with my dad, my little brother, and my aunt.
What is your dad like?
My dad is very funny and outgoing. He's a teacher, so he's always helping me with my homework.
What do you and your dad like doing together?
We both love playing board games and going for walks. He likes sports, but I'm not really into that.
Oh, I see. And what is your aunt like?
She's very caring and loves to bake. She's always trying new recipes.
Nice. I want an aunt like her. And what do you all enjoy doing together?
Yes, she's the best. We often have family movie nights and cook dinner together on weekends.
Good morning, Sarah.
Oh, hi, David. Good morning.
I didn't expect to see you here today.
Me neither. What are your plans for today?
Nothing special. Just walking around enjoying the view. How about you?
Same here. I love walking in this area when the weather is nice.
Yeah, I usually come here too. It's a great place to relax and clear your mind.
Absolutely. Today's weather is perfect for a walk.
For sure. Hey, do you want to grab a drink now?
That sounds great. Do you know any cool bars nearby?
I know one not too far from here.
Perfect. Let's go.
What time does your brother wake up?
He wakes up at 7 a.m. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. What time does your brother eat breakfast?
He eats breakfast at 7:30 a.m. When do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. What time does your brother go to school?
He leaves for school at 8:15 a.m. What about your husband? When does he go to work?
He goes to work at 8 a.m.
Does he wake up at 6?
No, he wakes up at 6:30.
Really? That's early.
Definitely. So, Sarah, besides studying and cooking, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting and hiking. How about you, Tom?
I like playing football with my friends and going for long walks in the countryside.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Have you been on any interesting hikes recently?
Yes, I went on a hike last weekend to a beautiful waterfall. It was breathtaking.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love being in nature.
Me too, there's something so peaceful about it.
Absolutely. Nature has a way of making us feel calm and relaxed.
Definitely. It's a great way to escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
Absolutely. Hey, speaking of nature, have you ever gone camping?
Yes, I have. I went camping with my family when I was younger. It was a lot of fun.
That sounds like a wonderful experience. I've always wanted to try camping.
You should definitely give it a try sometime. It's a great way to connect with nature.
I will. Maybe we can go camping together sometime.
That would be fantastic. Let's plan it. So, Sarah, what do you do?
I am a student. I study biology. What about you?
I work in an office. I'm an accountant.
That sounds interesting. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. How about you?
I enjoy cooking and listening to music.
That's cool. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What about you?
I like rock music. Do you have a favourite band?
Yes, I really like Coldplay. What about you?
I'm a fan of Queen. They're amazing.
Yeah, they're great. Maybe we can listen to some music together sometime.
Sure, that would be fun.
And that wraps up today's listening practice. I hope you had a great time. Don't forget to join us again next time. Bye and take care.